In this part of video, I am going to explain you another special function, that is log function, and I will explain you how to solve the problems which carries log function with the help of first principle. So let's start with this problem of y is equals to log x. So first of all, before starting any problem of log, I just want to explain you the two basic fundamentals. First is that whenever it is given that log of m by n, this is equals to log of m minus log of n. Okay, and another property is log of m bar n is equals to n log m. Okay, so you have to remember these two properties, these two fundamental formulas whenever we have to solve the case of log with the help of first principle. Okay, so it is given y is equals to log x. So how we will able to solve this? Let's do it. So first step is that we have to increments add increments to both sides. So what I will get, y plus delta y is equals to log of x plus delta x. Now remember this thing, that x and delta x should be taken in bracket, because log of x whenever we are taking, it means that we have to take log of increment also. Okay, so this is my next step. So what I will do now, I will mark it as equation 1 and equation 2. So my next step is that we have to subtract the first equation from second equation. Subtract first from second. Now what I will get? I will get delta y is equals to log of x plus delta x minus log of x, right? So the next step is what we will do now, we will apply this property where it is given that log of m by n is equals to log of m minus log of n. So we can see here, this is log of m and this is log of n. So what I will do, I will switch from this to this formula to m by n formula. Okay, so I will get delta y is equals to log of x plus delta x divided by log of x. Okay, what simply I have done, I am repeating that log of m divided n, instead of that I will take log of m divided n. Okay, so this is my formula, log of x plus delta x divided by log of x, or I can write it in this way, is equals to log of x plus delta x divided by x, means log of m by n. Okay, simple. So the from here what we will do next, delta y is equals to, if you can see, I think you know this thing, that I can write it in like this way, log of x plus x divided by delta x upon x, and what I will get, I will get log of 1 plus delta x divide by x, right? I hope it is clear till now. It's very simple. So the next step, what I will do, I will divide both side by delta x. So I will divide both sides by delta x. I will get delta y by delta x is equals to 1 by delta x into log of 1 plus delta x by x. Okay, this is the case. So from here we will not able to get any solution. So the next step, what I will do, see delta y by delta x, it is 1 by delta x. So I think we can write x by x here, because if we cancel x by x, what we get, we will get 1, right? So there is no change in anything, it is multiplied with 1 plus delta x upon x. Okay, and the next step is delta y by delta x equals to 1 by x into x by delta x, right? What I have done, I have just interchange the values. I have put this x on this side, and I've put the this delta x on other side. I have just interchanged, as there is a multiply sign in between. Okay, so no change in anything. Still we cancel x and x, we will get 1, and the nutshell will be 1 by delta x. This is multiplied by log of 1 plus delta x by x. Okay, clear? So now here I have explained you earlier also another property, that log m power n is equals to n log m. Okay, that is log m power n equals to n log m. Okay, this is the property. And what does here means, I'll take it as n and I will take it as m. Clear? And here we have this log, so means n is x by delta x into log 1 plus delta x upon x. So I can substitute this formula with this formula. Okay. So what does this mean? That I can write 1 by x into log of, what is m here? It is 1 plus delta x upon x power x by delta x. Okay. So this is the thing. So I will get this value, right? Next step is that we will take limits. Take limits. So whenever we take limits, what does this mean? It means that delta x approaches toward 0. Okay. So delta x approaches towards 0. This is equals to dy by dx. And what we can write here, you can see here. Here we have dx, it means 0. 0 by x is 0. Fine. And here we have 0. So it means in power again we have 0. And anything power 0 is equals to 1. So I will write 1 by x into 1. So we can say that dy by dx is equals to 1 by x, means derivative of log x is equals to 1 by x, and this is my solution. Fine. So now let's take one more example to clarify the concept. Okay, now I will take y is equals to log of 3 plus x. Clear? So this is my first equation. Next, what I will do, add increments to both sides. So the equation would be y plus delta y is equals to log 3 plus x plus delta x. Okay. So this would be my second equation. Next step is subtract first equation from second equation. What I will get, y plus delta y minus y is equals to log of 3 plus x plus delta x minus log of 3 plus x, right? This is the thing. What I will get, I will get log of y is equals to log of 3 plus x plus delta x minus log of 3 plus x. Now what I will do, I will apply the property log m by n is equals to log of m minus log of n. Okay. Now how I will write this? Delta y is equals to log of 3 plus x plus delta x divided by 3 plus x. Okay. Or I can write it in this way, that log of 3 plus x divided by 3 plus x plus delta x divided by 3 plus x. So if I cancel, we will get 1. So delta y is equals to log of 1 plus delta x upon 3 plus x. Fine. So now the next step is that we will divide both sides by delta x. So what I will get, delta y by delta x is equals to 1 upon delta x into log of 1 plus delta x divided by 3 plus x. And in the next step, what I will do, I will multiply and divide both side with the value of x, means 3 plus x and 3 plus x, right? In the previous example, what I did, I took here as x and x because in the question it was given log of x. So here it is given log of 3 plus x, so I will take 3 plus x divide by 3 plus x. So I will get this value. And in the next step, I will just interchange the value log of 1 plus delta x divided by 3 plus x, right? Now here I will apply another property, that is log of m power n is equals to n log m. So the solution is given in this form. I will take this form, okay? I will convert it into log of m power n. So I will get delta y by delta x is equals to 1 plus 3 upon x into log of 1 plus delta x upon 3 plus x power 3 plus x divided by delta x. Now take limits. If I will take limits, means delta x approaches towards 0, it means the whole of this part will become 1 because the power will shift it to 0. So limit delta x approaches towards 0 is equals to dy by dx equals to 1 upon 3 plus x into 1, because here if it is 0 then power will shift to 0. So anything power 0 is equals to 1. So this gives me 1 divided by 3 plus x. So I can clearly state here that derivative of log 3 plus x is equals to 1 upon 3 plus x. So this is my solution. Clear? I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you very much.